Hey, what are you doing, Titus?
Getting the tower garden set up. Do you put water in there? Are you gonna plant the plants?
Let me see your little plants.
Are they gonna grow? Okay, so what we're planting are a bunch of different lettuces. I accidentally ripped off the label on this one, but it just looks like a bowl blend. Red lettuce. We did not do the watermelon. We'll do that one outside. Kale, spinach, another lettuce, and Swiss chard, I believe.
Cool.
So we basically put these seeds in the moss about, I think it's 10 days ago. Now we're gonna put them in the tower garden.
Ooh.
Titus, you gonna help me?
Shut off. Are you gonna put the plant in?
You gonna help me put the plants in?
So now they're making a little bit smaller tower gardens. As you can see, this one's a little bit large.
We gotta put the solution
And if you've
in.
seen it in the
You
office.
wanna help me put the solution in?
These are some minerals, right?
Yep. So I filled the tank with 10 gallons. So starting out, you only want to use half the strength of what they recommend. So we're gonna put 100 milliliters.
Because the plants are so tiny.
Yes, they don't need a full potency. So 100 milliliters of
And this is, when did we start these
Tower
seeds?
kind.
Is this just 5?
10 days ago.
It was 10 days ago?
Yeah.
Cool. Titus,
No,
what are you doing?
money. 7 days ago.
Okay, well, we'll check back, right?
Yeah.
Hey, ask us how you can get your own tower garden in your house. Yay!